Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. This is a video that I want to do. Normally we do this kind of video every weekend where we talk about the new update from Morgan Camp. You know, those are brothers in the Republic of Fallback. We normally do video like this to highlight to you the new method, their new style of exposing themselves in name of telling you the best way to support them. And they often come up with any news like PM said this, you should follow us, you support us, and all that. So we normally have this kind of video before the fundraising where we discuss about the way forward, and not way forward as achieving Biafra or anything, but the new way and lies of these people who claim they are falling back and they have fall back and they are back and all that nonsense. They normally have a way of bringing things to you to deceive you, to lie to you. So this video is where we discussed about it. But this weekend we don't have much to say about it, all right, because there's a lot of things going on. In fact, everything seems to be upside down. But that is not the issue. The issue is that we understand that Biafrans are aware of what is playing out and they don't take it lightly like they normally do. People sometimes these people we remember the time of playing voice of general from homeland. Biafran Army said this and said that era has come and gone. So now is about who have access to PM and PM lawyers in Finland, who travel to Finland. That one has come and gone. The list go on and on. Do you understand? But the truth of the matter is that they are not. I'm not saying this for them to stop because they cannot stop. This is how they roll. The issue is that everything they are doing is now clear to Biafrans. People are now getting clear information, and the awareness is taken to none. Remember, we don't preach or force anybody to do anything. I don't tell you to go to Mr. A and pay money or pay me, go to Mr. B and send money. Your money is your money. I don't have any right to tell you how to donate your money. It is your choice. But you need to understand that the danger at hand is not for everybody. And for some of you who say no, I don't want to say anything. I'm neutral. Being neutral is good, but I've not seen anyone being kidnapped. They release that person because the person is neutral. Please, if you have seen that, let me know. A person I have not seen that is unheard of. There's no way somebody, okay, have been released from the den of kidnappers simply because the person is neutral. And all the riot that happened in the north and outside Igbo land, I have not seen anywhere they spare anybody they capture simply because the person is neutral. Please, if you have seen that, please relate to us so we can also feel we can also have the knowledge about that the way you have. So what am I trying to say? If you want to understand what is playing out, people that join us in our live stream today may have better knowledge of what a Fulani man that came to that live stream, said on the comment section, because we did not do open line program that people can call in and all that. But the comment section was busy. Why? Because a Fulani man surfaced there and said something very, very crucial, something that we already know. But it's good. Why allow that program? Why allow that chat to? Why allow him to keep on sending messages there? Because I want our people to understand the template they are using and the agenda is not hidden. So he said it, and many of us were so agitated. Many of us were so irritated about that because they wanted me to delete and send him away. But our brother Armstrong did the needful anyway. If not for Armstrong, I wouldn't have deleted anything there because I want you guys, even though the message is painful, because truth somehow hurt. But not that I derive joy seeing that kind of message, but I want us to understand the danger at hand. When a tribe proudly tell you that their job is to invade your land and take you, and you are not, it's not a bad rumor, it's reality. And they have everything they need to have, they need to do that, and everything is going in on their own side. You don't have anything to back it up, you don't have anyone to help you, you don't have anybody to stand for you, and you want to be neutral. Okay. Now listen. The guy said that the agenda is to conquer Yoruba land, conquer South South, then Igbo. That Igbos are storming block, but then eventually we conquer Igbo. That their tactics now is to flood their land with their people, their men, to marry our women. And before you know it, we have Fulani Igbo. Some Biafrans or commercials say, oh, the guy is not serious. The guy is not serious, that he's just saying it. Why I took that seriously? Because I already, on my own time, I have analyzed that in the past, that I know that is the template they're going to use. And it's not hidden. They are using it already. So you trying to play it down that is a mere talk, you don't have, they're not serious, you are dreaming. In fact, let me use the opportunity to encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Today is fundraising. A few hours from now, fundraising will start. So I'm making this video for you to, be awakened, for you to be alert, to understand that everything going on is if the battle is a battle of survival of the fittest. If you choose to be neutral, like many of us in America, all those wealthy people in Europe, in some country in Asia, you are somehow scared of not. I'm not saying you should not be scared, but scared of what? Are you committing crime? Are you if you're committing crime, then you should be scared because we don't preach for criminality here or killing of anybody. What I'm actually in support is defending our land from any criminality. If you see that as a crime, then you have something with reality. You have problem with your life because I have not come here and say, please guys, let us go and find Mr. A, Mr. B. I don't preach for that here. I don't believe in killing of anybody or committing crime. But when it comes to when anything has to do you for you to defend your land, anybody kicking against this is actually your enemy. You need to defend yourself. It's not a crime. Do you understand it? But there are people, some of us trying to paint it as if a crime. But the tribe that you share the Nigerian together with are very proudly telling you that they are killing you, they want to buy you. Your land is their land. That's what they want. They are not only saying that and they are not putting action. The action is there. In fact, the action speak louder than their claim. You are the one actually trying to analyze what they're doing. Do they talk? How many of them broadcast? Don't get it. But the issue is that we that are broadcasting and telling our people, yet our people don't learn. How do they communicate to mobilize their youth to do what they're doing? That's a question that you need to ask yourself. And the answer is before you, because the action is out there. The guy said that some people were like, oh, you are just, it's not possible, it's not possible. Outside people said that. It's not possible, it's not possible. What happened? Kwara State is non their land. The guy that made the comment said that he's not a Yoruba person. He's not a Yoruba, he's a Jonathan. But when I put to him that you are not a Yoruba man, because he beard like me, something like that, with Abudu Rufus, something like that. Then I told him that you are not. He later said that he's from Kwara State. Then I know that of course he's not, because Kwara State is where they have tested their power and they have succeeded. So the guy went far by telling us that they're gonna plant AMA in our land. It may sound funny to you, but it's true. The same thing that when they said that they will have Muslim ticket, many of you dated it. Today, what happened? There's no tribe in Nigeria today that we take nonsense that our people are taking. No, 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 no one. Even those ones say they're South, they may not have the time because our own is that we are conquered people and they are dealing with us massively. They are dealing with us. You may not like it, but that's what it is. I just want to record this video to remind you of the danger at hand. That many of you that are trying to listen to Ogenkere and their camp, the issue of Ogenkere, we are going to have a live broadcast because we discussed about it on our second platform. Please, if you are not subscribed to that channel, you are not doing anybody good. You should subscribe to our second channel, Kai Report News. The reason is because we decided to have these two platforms running and functioning. Why? Because you never can tell. It's always good to have two eyes. So if this one cannot see, the other one will see. And if you don't have any issue with that, then no need to subscribe. But to me, I believe that many of you have seen people being, lost their account. They, we are not. It's not going to be our portion. We are not praying for that. But at least you have your two eyes or two legs so that you can stand firmly. And the only way to support us is make sure you like that video and like even this one and subscribe to these two platforms. Okay, that's a way to go. Okay, and many of you are saying, "No, how can I? That I don't know how to support. You don't know how to do this." We are not here begging for anything. Not that we have. We don't have. Many of you can see that we don't have, but we are not actually begging for food. We are not bragging for anything. But the way to support is there. If you don't know it, no problem. But the only thing I want you to support now, which is free, is subscription and like the video. That's the most important thing. The other one should come from your heart. All right. So we are going to stream later about Ogenkere broadcast because yesterday he had a meeting with Eka people. Even today I know that Eka are from people from Abo. I don't even know that the Abo people are the one they call the Eka. Because I often hear Eka. So yesterday they were having town hall meeting with Eka people. And there's something he said there. Please, you have not watched that video. It's quite long, but if you are watching it, look for start from 27 minutes thereabout to end, because that's where we are going to when we are going to do our broadcast or analysis on that. We will start from there. There's something he said there, although we have started it on our second platform, but we did not finish it there because of time. So we are going to stream again today, or no, it's not going to be today is fundraising, so it should be tomorrow or next. But keep your eyes on that. We are coming for with it, that his video. They don't need to. They're not going to delete it. If they delete it, so be it. I don't want to say much about it, but go and watch it so that when you are going to broadcast on that, it will make more sense for you to understand it. So like the video and tell me what you think about what we've discussed. This is just like telling you that Fulanis are not sleeping. Okay, they're not sleeping, and today that is fundraising for humanitarian support, which is according to USB government. That's what they made it clear that the money is for, because many of you may not understand the pain and the agony our people are. A woman will go to his farm to to harvest vegetable, and she will lose her life. Some people send their children to harvest or to farm. They did not come back. They go there and pick their body. If I thought they would see their body. So a lot is going on, and we need to protect our people and save our life. And the guy that appeared on my program is a Fulani man. He bragged about it. He said a lot there. People who watch that program, please comment what you learn from the guy on the comment section here. Very important, so that others will follow you and read your comment. Maybe you can also educate them on what the guy said. Thank you so much, my people, and make sure you like the video. God bless you, and bye bye for now.